Hello students, welcome to the third year class of Computer Engineering and Information Technology. We are studying the CSS subject. Our subject is client-side scripting and our subject code is 22519. Today's video is learning outcomes. Today we will going to learn chapter number 5, regular expression, rollover and phrase. Today we will see rollover. In the previous videos, we have learned about the regular expression and the phrase. Okay. So first we will see what is rollover. Rollover is a JavaScript technique used by web developer to produce an effect in which the appearance of a graphical image changes when the user rolls the mouse pointer over it. Rollover also refers to a button on a web page that allows interactivity between the user and the web page. So rollover means nothing but the appearance of the graphical image which change. Means there are different events, that is mouse event and the keyboard event. So these events are used in this rollover. See here, this is one program, that is how to make the JavaScript image rollover. Okay. So as this is the HTML code, that's why there are the HTML tag, head tag, and this is the mid tag character set that it is used to define the character set, and character set is UTF-8. Okay. Then our title is how to make a JavaScript image rollover. End of the title tag. So our there is a script tag, that is language is equal to JavaScript, and this is the function, and mouse rollover and my image. This is the function name, mouse rollover and my image. Okay, opening this, and my image dot src equal to, and this is the path for the image. Okay, see here, this is the path for this system, that image, and then function mouse out. This is mouse rollover and this is mouse out function. This is my image, and my image, this is the path of the my image dot src equal to C drive user Lavanya desktop e content CSS program, and this is the image name. So this image name, this is the actual image name, and this is the path of that image. Then end of the script tag, end of the head tag, and now the body tag. So div align is equal to center. The rollover image displays here is then img src equal to that path of the image. Border is equal to 0 px. Width is equal to 650 px. And on rollover, this is mouse rollover. On mouse event, mouse out. This end of the div, end of the body, end of the HTML. Now we will see the output. See here, this is the output. Means after clicking this image, mouse out event will be worked. So another property called on mouse out is added in order to change the image back into the original when you move the mouse away from the rollover image. Means after, if uh, if we move this cursor from the image, the program will be executed. So we will see what is rollover images. A rollover images is a secondary image loaded into your page to display when a visitor to your site rolls over a certain image within your site. It is used to make your site more interactive and may be used to display different views of a same image or alternative products, etc. Means it is a secondary image loaded on the page. Means visitor side. Suppose we have two images, ABC and XYZ. So using this rollover image, the secondary image is XYZ is loaded on that particular web page. Okay. See here, this is the one program to execute the rollover and rollback image. So doc type HTML, head, title, end of the head slash, title is image rollover and rollback. Then this is the setting for image. MG height is equal to 400, SRC, this is the path. SRC is equal to a.jpg, alt no image means ALT means the alternative message. If there is no image, then it will display no image. Width is equal to 400. On mouse over is equal to src equal to b.jpg. This is for second image. On mouse out equal to src.a.jpg means on mouse out means if we remove the cursor from that image, the first image will display, and if we move the cursor on that image, the second image will display. Okay, end of the body tag, end of the HTML tag. The on mouse, and after executing this code, first we will get this output JavaScript. After putting the cursor on this image, it will display the HTML black box. Okay, and this is the A image and this is the B image. The on-mouse event handler is triggered when the user's mouse moves onto the links, and the mouse out event handler is triggered when the user mouse moves away from the link. Means after means when the user mouse moves onto the link, the on-mouse event handler trigger. Means as I said, if we move here this cursor, it will display this out. Okay, and if we remove the cursor again, it will display this out. Okay, so we have seen about the rollover image. Now we will see about the rollover text. Rollover is a JavaScript technique used by a web developer to produce an effect in which the appearance of the graphical image changes when the user rolls the mouse pointer over it. So rollover is triggered when the mouse moves over the primary image, causing the secondary image to appear. This example shows how to create rollover effect, and that involve text and images. When the user places his or her mouse pointer over a book title, the corresponding book image will appear. Means in the next slide we will see one program. It involves the text as well as the image also. So when we move our pointer to the book name, then it will display the corresponding book image. We will see it. See here, this is the program for the rollover effect. So HTML tag, head tag, title tag. Title is rollover effect. End of the title tag, end of the head tag. Then body tag and table. T body, TR is equal to V align equal to top, TD is equal to width is equal to 50, and A tab image src is equal to vb 2010 book.jpg. Name is equal to book and end of the A tag. Okay, end of the TD tag. And again TD image height is equal to 1, width is equal to 10, end of the TD tag. So again in TD tag, A tag on mouse over equal to document.book.src equal to vb 2000 book.jpg. End of the B, B tag Visual Basic 10 2010 made easy. End of the B tag, end of the A tag. Then break. Then A tag on mouse over document.book.src vb 2008 book.jpg Visual Basic 2008 made easy. Okay. Then again same vb6 Visual Basic 6 made easy. End of the td tag, end of the tr tag, end of the t body, end of the table, end of the body, end of the html. This is the program for rollover effect. Means now you will see the output. See here, this is the output. If we move the cursor onto this, it will display the Visual Basic 2010. Then if we display this, if we move the cursor on this, then it will display the Visual Basic 6 made easy. Okay, if we move the cursor on these books, then it will display this output. Okay, if we display the Visual Basic 2008, then that book will be displayed. Okay, so first in the after executing program, my mouse cursor is on this book, and after that my mouse cursor is on this between. So it will display Visual Basic 6 made easy. Okay, this is the rollover effect. Now we will see multiple rollover and rollback. This is the intrinsic method enables you to perform one action in the response to an mouse over event. Okay, means in this on mouse over event, a JavaScript function will invoke, which will change the source of image and tag and creates a new window, and it specifies the dimension. Okay, means in this mouse over event we can change or we can invoke the image. Okay, so in this intrinsic method enables you to perform the one action in the response to an on mouse over event. So in previous section we have implemented rollover by performing on mouse over event, which is directly associated with the HTML tag. Okay. So now in this function, we have direct method to enable the perform of one action in the response of the on mouse over event. Means there are in previous slides we have seen that there are on mouse there are rollover image, rollover text, but multiple rollover and rollback. This is the intrinsic method. Intrinsic means built-in method. Okay, means built-in method in the JavaScript. So this is the program for multiple rollover and rollback. Script is equal to language. Then function is equal to open new window book. If book is equal to 1, then that particular book name, that is DSA. Okay. If book 2 is equal to 2, then that is WT. And if book is equal to 3, then the third book, that is VB document. Okay. This is the we are using here. This is the function open new window, and the function is book. The passing value is book, and this is the if condition book is equal to 1, Then DSA if book is equal to 2. Then web page technology if book is equal to 3. Then VB.get. This is the end of the script and end of the head. So after that, table width and border, then T body. Then this is the setting for image, that is height and source of that image, then width and name. Okay, this is the end of the TD. Then we are using here on mouse over. See here, this is the on mouse over. Open new window 1, on mouse out, my window dot close. Means we can open new window and after moving cursor, it will automatically close by using my window dot close function. Okay. This is data structure using C. Again, we are using on mouse over, open new window 2, and on mouse out, that is my window dot close. This is for web technology, and third is for VB.net. Again, we are using on mouse over is equal to open new window, and on mouse out is equal to my window dot close. Okay, end of the A, end of the TD, end of the TR, and end of the T body, and end of the table, end of the body, and end of the HTML tag. So after executing this code, see here, we will get this output, this data structure. Now, if we moving this cursor, then it will display the web technology. If we moving this cursor on VB.net, it will display the VB.net cover page. Okay. So we will see some MCQs, and our fifth chapter, that is regular expression, rollover and frames, is completed with this topic. Okay. Now we will see some MCQs this chapter. When are the mouse events generated? Options are when user clicks the mouse over a document, when a user moves over a document on pressing key, when user clicks or moves the mouse over a document. So answer is D, when user clicks or moves to the mouse over a document. Okay. Now second MCQ is, when is the mouse over event fired? When a mouse is moved over a new element, when a mouse is clicked, and when a mouse is both move or click, move and click, and when a mouse is released. And the answer of this question is, when is a mouse over event fired? When mouse is moved over a new element. Okay, these are the MCQs. So we are finished our fifth chapter. It is a regular expression, rollover, and friends. In the next video, we will see our last chapter, that is chapter number 6. Okay. Thank you.